The three Purushas explained. CC Adi 5.74. Balrama's own expansion is called Mahasankarshana and his fragment, the Purusha, is counted as Kala or a part of plenary portion. CC Adi 5.75. I say that this Kala is Mahavishnu. He is the Mahapurusha who is the source of other Purushas and who is all pervading. CC Adi 5.76. Garbhoda Sai and Kshiroda Sai are both called Purushas. They are plenary portions of Karanoda Sai Vishnu, the first Purusha who is the abode of all universes. CC Adi 5.77. Vishnu has three forms called Purushas. The first, Mahavishnu, is the creator of total material energy, Mahat. The second, Garbhodasai, who is situated within each universe. And the third is Kshirodasai, who lives in the heart of every living being. He who knows these three becomes liberated from the clutches of Maya. CC Adi 5.78. Although Karanoda Sai Vishnu is called Kala of Lord Krishna, he is the source of Matsya, Kurma and the other incarnations. CC Adi 5.79. All these incarnations of Godhead are either plenary portions or parts of plenary portions of the Purusha avatars, but Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead himself. In every age he protects the world through his different features when the world is disturbed by the enemies of Indra. CC Adi 5.80. That Purusha, Karanodaka Sai Vishnu, is the performer of creation, maintenance and destruction. He may manifest himself in many incarnations, for he is the maintainer of the world. CC Adi 5.81. That fragment supreme Lord known as Mahapurusha appears as for the purpose of creation, maintenance and annihilation and is called an incarnation. CC Adi 5.82. That Mahapurusha is identical with the personality of God. He is the original incarnation, the seed of all others and the shelter of everything. CC Adi 5.80. The Purusha Mahavishnu is the primary incarnation of the personality of Godhead. Time, nature, Prakriti as cause and effect, the mind, the material elements, false ego, the modes of nature, the senses, the universal form, complete independence, and the Boeing and non-Boeing beings appear subsequently as his appearances.